ए मामू क्या बोलता है अवेंजर्स चालू करे
क्या ये थैनोस को देते हैं ना कुछ
अपन टीम बना रहे
I saw a movie that everybody said was awesome, but I saw it and I was like, it's okay.
Abbas, dude.
That's the only reason he's on the show. आपको पता है
Deepika, Katrina, Radhika, who are you most like?
Katina, bro.
भाई ये
I thought nobody would think of that. I thought nobody would think of that. Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Antriksh Thakkar.
I am Snail Aneja.
And I'm Abbas Momin.
Guest Abbas Momin.
Yes.
Yes,
Always
special
forgets,
guest.
always forgets to describe himself as a guest.
Should
This-
I call myself God because Mehman Bhagwan का रूप होता है guys? Oh, you guys look so obedient drinking your Bonvita.
And you drank a lot more of it.
I did,
So you
yes.
look more like a bada bacha, you know? Like Horlicks. That's Horlicks. What were you guys into as kids? Bonvita?
Yeah, Bonvita kid all
Bonvita was-
all the way
Bonvita
through.
was great.
Horlicks sucks and
Horlicks is... Dude, मेरे से कभी mix ही नहीं हुआ.
I know.
I never understood how to mix it properly, dude.
And Boost was for Sachin only.
This is only his energy and only the energy
मैंने
alone.
इतनी बार बूस्ट खरीदा ना just to get that bat.
But
जो
bro-
वो प्लास्टिक का साइन करके दे देते
Actually,
थे.
you know what I was into was Milo. Milo was my
Oh,
shit.
yes, I remember Milo.
Milo was
dude,
my
yes.
thing, dude. Wasn't Sachin for a while Milo
Milo
का
also.
ambassador
Yeah,
also?
Really?
I guess
I
so.
loosely remember.
क्यों आपको पता है माइलो बाहर मतलब आउट ऑफ इंडिया तो
Yeah,
अभी
yeah,
भी
yeah.
फुल फ्लेजेड मिलता है.
Dude, it's great.
You can still find it in India also, but बाहर तो प्रॉपर मिलता है हमारे.
अच्छा.
Why did it
Tetra
stop,
packs
man?
and all में.
Why do we stop?
I don't think it stopped. They are on the down low.
Like their distribution is not widespread.
That's true.
That's bad. Milo, what are you doing, man? come talk to us. Sponsor this show. Maybe that'll help. Since your distribution is anyway low, our show won't make a difference. So you'll be sticking on to Brad. All
Get some mileage.
Moving
Oh,
on.
Oh, dude, that's an attempt at a pun. I appreciate. Not bad. Mileage. Okay, chalo. Let's go, guys. What are we talking about today? We all saw an awesome movie, right?
I swear, dude.
I mean, you both saw an awesome movie.
What
I-
Hey, you also
I
saw
saw
an
a
awesome
movie.
movie. Nigga, shut up.
I saw a
Didn't
movie
think it
that
was-
everybody said was awesome, but I saw it and I was like, it's okay.
Man, Abbas, dude.
That's the only reason he's on the show. आपको पता है?
Because of these.
Yeah, क्योंकि आपको
you and I will agree on everything. Yeah, Brahmastra, bro. Brahmastra, greatest movie ever.
Hey, I never said that, okay? But tell us what movie are you guys talking about?
Kill.
Talk about
We are
kill.
talking about kill.
Let's be
Don't
on the
kill the
same.
vibe, Abbas.
1, 2, 3, let's all say the name together. Snehal and I fucking loved it.
Yes, I loved it.
Right? It's a movie.
इस मूवी की स्टोरी बताने की कोशिश करो आप.
भाई वही तो बात
क्योंकि है ही नहीं.
But bro, I can tell you a story.
Story, there is a one-line story.
Yeah, what more do you want? John Wick's dog dies and he goes on a killing spree.
Bro, fuck, मेरे
for
फ्लैटमेट ने
vengeance.
भी यही एग्जांपल दिया था. When I
Because
said
वही-
कि स्टोरी नहीं थी पिक्चर में.
Exactly, bro. Because they've been direct comparisons because John Wick people have bought.
The rights
Yes,
to
the
the
rights
rights
this,
to
yes.
kill.
Yeah.
Yes.
But they've already made John Wick, so I don't
They already
why
have
the
license to kill, guys. Why do
No,
they
so
need kill license?
have you guys seen The Raid? This
Excellent
Malaysian-
again.
Have you seen The Raid?
Raid and Raid Redemption, both.
Redemption, yeah. So I think more than John Wick, this movie was being
Both Raid,
compared
definitely,
to Raid,
100%.
which is like so
Have
the
you
Raid.
seen, have you seen Dread?
No,
the
I
Judge
haven't.
Dredd
No, I haven't
movie
seen
with
Dread.
Carl Urban.
I haven't. No.
Excellent. Again,
I want to.
very similar premise to Raid.
Acha.
It's like in one world,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
thing, but it's like a futuristic society, cyberpunk.
So
kind
here's
of.
the thing. I didn't like The Raid also when I saw
What?
The Raid.
This guy, dude! I was so on his side right now. Oh, he's got to make a comparison with The Raid, one of the greatest action films of all time. Very widely agreed upon as the greatest action film of all time.
Yeah,
And
so-
Abbas,
Though I think it's two brothers. One is acting
Yeah.
and one is directing, and they made like a special kind of martial art for the movie. I'm talking about The Raid.
if it
And
looks awesome, it's...
The thing is, I had the very same thought while watching The Raid. By the way, I watched The Raid on a computer, not in a theater.
Sure, yeah.
But I had the exact same thought. I'm like, okay, so now what? Like,
बड़े टाइम बाद मैंने कंप्यूटर वर्ड सुना है पता है.
Bro, see, we can have a whole discussion about Raid because there's so much to do in that.
No, let's
Firstly,
talk about Kill.
Yeah. Fucking this guy, dude. This
But it will
gaslighting.
also apply to Raid.
But see, okay, right? First, in these kind of action movies where it's just balls to the walls action. That's it, right? The movie's main selling point, main plot point, everything is basically action only.
Yeah.
Okay?
Sure, yeah.
So if that's the thing, what these movies, at least Raid and Kill, do, right? First, they will establish the stakes. In Raid, the difference was, spoiler alert, we're going to be talking about spoilers of Kill.
कोई spoiler है ही नहीं
A
Kill
lot of
में.
people die, guys.
That's
No,
the
no, no,
spoiler.
I mean,
but-
there is one moment at the interval
Yeah,
point
exactly,
which...
that
yeah.
we all
वो
thought-
trailer में.
No,
Is it?
but not her dying is in the trailer.
It's
no.
in the trailer,
No,
dude.
her, bro, they've not explicitly said in the trailer that she's dead. You know what I mean? It's not obvious. I still thought like, oh, she's bleeding. So everyone bleeds in a horror.
Yeah, women bleed on. Sorry, guys. This is just...
So I'm saying like, so they establish like the stakes. The
Correct.
stakes is,
Yeah.
oh, they are in this movie. It is that they're all traveling on one train. Some gundas, if they come on the train, then all these people will be possibly in the line of fire, or so it were. Similarly, in Raid, coming back to Raid,
Yeah.
they establish the thing that he has a family to go back to and all that stuff.
yeah.
But in Raid, they don't kill off the family, so there's still stakes applied. I feel over here the only mistake maybe from my side was that once Tanya Maniktala's character dies, friend of my previous show, please remember. I don't know what to say. But Tanya Maniktala, once her character dies, I feel the stakes are gone. In the sense, like before, we're like, okay, there'll be a happy ending at the end of
So
it.
the stakes are still there, but they're not like that stakey enough
Yeah.
to be the
But
stake.
you get what I mean, right? There's
Yeah.
a difference to if she had lived and if she.
No, but
died.
isn't that the pivotal point where
He loses his
He loses
Yeah.
his shit basically.
But he could, like, I'm like, see.
So can I say
Yeah.
what the one thing I really found interesting, and the film doesn't spell this out, but I thought that moment was very interesting. That towards the end of the film, where I'm forgetting the central character's name. Does he have a name?
Amrit. Captain Amrit.
When Amrit and
Played by Lakshya.
Julian's
Yes.
character are face to face,
Yeah.
and this guy's about to kill him. At one point, he says, "Ke man, you're so unhinged. How can you be a soldier? How can you be the
हाँ.
one who saves the country?"
तुम राक्षस
I
नहीं,
thought
तुम
that idea was
राक्षस हो.
very interesting. That in the in Bollywood, in Hindi film industry, if you're a soldier, then you're like your moral standards are the highest. Like you can do no
Sure,
wrong,
sure.
and every mistake is forgiven. So it was very interesting to see a villain character point a
Say
finger
that.
at the hero character
sure.
and be like, man,
But
how can you be the soldier?
that's a different movie. I think you're describing.
Sure,
now,
that,
you
that,
know?
that,
That's
that's the
great
that's
plot for a
the
different
what do you call that is the angle I found very interesting.
Okay, sure.
But yeah, I mean, for me, see, technically, if someone showed me the making of this movie, the fact that the whole film is set in a corridor of a train, I
Yeah.
won't even say
Yeah,
like
correct.
a train.
And they do-
ऐसा भी नहीं कि
they
वो
remake the
driver
set.
की सीट में जा रहे हैं, यहाँ जा रहे हैं, वो नहीं.
That's
It's
true.
everything is set in like
Absolutely right, yes.
the
A1, A2, A3, B1.
yeah.
Yeah.
So the way they have shot it, the way the camera angles and everything,
Yeah.
that you never feel monotonous. You never
Correct.
feel you're watching
Absolutely.
the same
Very
thing.
true.
So if someone showed me the making of this movie, maybe I will be blown away. I'm like, man.
Did you guys find it like on a different level relatable also because
No, I've
correct me
never
if I'm
felt
wrong.
like
नहीं
feeling
भाई
no, correct
मेरी
me.
मेरी तो ट्रेन में जाने से फट ली भाई पिक्चर
exactly,
देखने के
exactly, right? Exactly. So what I'm saying is like I found it weirdly relatable in the sense that on a train we've all traveled by trains,
Yeah.
known for large part of our lives,
Yeah.
and we know that everything on a train can hurt you really bad.
Yeah.
of
Right?
course.
All the beds are made of metal. The sink, the wash basin, whatever is made of metal, everything if you hit your head on can absolutely impale
Yeah.
you. The washroom is the dirtiest washroom on the planet.
जिसमें वो प्रपोज
Ah,
करता
yeah,
है
this is
Propose
pretty
करता है.
clean in this movie,
Yeah.
but I was like,
no, initially.
realism
Later on in the
based.
film.
Where are the punch
That's
stains?
because
Come
it's the beginning of the train journey, no? End of the train journey is dirty as fuck.
Where is call Rupa with followed by a number? I'm like, no. Snehal, what did you think?
So I love the
Because
action.
being from Delhi, I'm assuming you're the most violent of the three of us.
वाओ dude. आपके साथ में कोई पॉडकास्ट करता हो आप कोई ना कोई डेली स्टीरियोटाइप डाल देते हो उसके अंदर बट एज फार एज एक्शन वाज कंसर्न्ड आई लव्ड इट एंड एज यू सेड कि बहुत ही छोटे से एरिया बहुत ही छोटा प्लेइंग फील्ड था उनके पास उसके बावजूद इट डिडंट फील मोनोटोनस द ओनली प्रॉब्लम दैट आई हैड, प्रॉब्लम भी क्या आई, जो जैसे हमने बात करी ली है कि स्टेक्स उतने हाई नहीं थे एंड कोई एग्जैक्ट स्टोरी लाइन नहीं थी, बट देन टुवर्ड्स द एंड आई डोंट थिंक उतनी स्टोरी लाइन की ज़रूरत भी थी. अगर स्टेक्स उतने हाई होते तो मेरे लिए कंप्लीट हो जाती फिल्म वहाँ पे. ऑल्सो एंडिंग फेल्ट लाइक अ लिटिल गजनी एंडिंग.
Sure.
ठीक है.
What way?
He imagines her sitting next to him on a bench.
Imagines her sitting next और प्रॉमिस कंप्लीट कर लिया है, सोलेस मिल गया है ऑफ सॉर्ट्स. एंड जैसे आपने डायलॉग इंटरेस्टिंग की बात करी, मुझे भी एक डायलॉग इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, वो भी सोल्जर को लेकर ही था. और मतलब बहुत सारे डायलॉग से लोग एक दूसरे पे इंसल्ट्स थ्रो कर रहे हैं बैक टू बैक, बट ये वाला स्पेशली स्टूड आउट फॉर मी व्हेन राघव्स कैरेक्टर सेज कि अबे तुम तो फौजी हो बे, हम जैसे से पिले जा रहे हो तो वहां पे कैसे करते हो तुम काम. एंड आई वाज लाइक, डिड यू जस्ट कॉल आउट एन आर्मी पर्सन
Exactly, yeah.
in Bollywood? So
Would you guys say this is technically at least one of, if not the best action film India has ever made?
it's been branded as one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's.
Also I like
so
the
then
fact
you-
कि
it's a good movie then.
It's a good movie. I didn't
Okay,
get
that's
the
what I want to
hype.
get. I got him to say it, guys.
I didn't get. I
You
never
heard
said
here
it's a
first.
bad. I don't get the hype. The way people are like, "Oh, the most violent movie ever. It'll change the way you look at films." I'm like, I agree.
Sure.
It's like,
but no, but also like see. I
but
think for
हिंदी
you and me,
सिनेमा में
right?
बनी नहीं ना भाई ऐसी.
Exactly for people like us who have watched a lot of Hollywood films, this is not new. For an Indian audience who will be seeing it for the first time, I think a lot of them won't even understand. They'll just be like, "इतना खून खराबा की जरूरत क्या है?" But I think it's for the gore lovers. you
भाई
know?
मेरे
Dude,
मैं पता है जब फिल्म
surprisingly, a lot of people, like a lot of my female friends who I've never seen show interest in action movies, they have gone to watch this film and they'll be like, "What a movie! Really loved it." And I
ब्रो
was like,
मेरे साथ में एक बंदा, सो मैं अकेले देखने गया था मूवी, मेरा फ्लैटमेट पहली स्क्रीनिंग पे देख आया था.
हाँ.
सो मैं मूवी देखने गया तो मेरे साथ एक बंदा बैठा था जो आई थिंक वाज फ्रॉम डाउन साउथ एंड उसको उतना हिंदी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था.
अच्छा, okay.
ठीक है. तो क्योंकि वो बार बार अपनी फ्रेंड से पूछ रहा था कि इस डायलॉग का क्या मतलब है, इस डायलॉग का क्या मतलब है. भाई वो बंदा इतना एंजॉय कर रहा था फिल्म को कि वो ही वाज जंपिंग इन हिज चेयर.
Bro, like.
Yeah, this is the kind of movie
exactly.
you don't really need to understand what they are saying.
he was just नहीं मतलब वो तब भी मैं आपको वो बता रहा हूँ कि ऑडियंस तालियां बजा रही है, हूट कर रही है. It
So you know what?
Every scene where
audience
someone
was
dies,
so invested. Yes.
Dude, I'm
But
just
the-
going, oh shit.
In
that's
this
how-
movie, I heard the most number of ऐसे ये वाला साउंड इफेक्ट ना मेरे को बहुत बड़ी
भाई
सुनाई दिया.
मेरे जो साथ में जो मैं बंदा कह रहा हूँ उसके वो जब वो इंटरवल सीन में वो मरती है,
हाँ.
he's sitting, he's like, he didn't have to kill her like that,
हाँ,
dude.
exactly. Dude, 2 बार स्टैब किया, I get it, okay? ठीक है, तेरे को मारना है, पहले पेट में मारा, फिर बैक में मारा, ठीक है. In the neck is extra brutal.
Extra brutal,
For just,
yes.
just to like,
Teasing purpose.
but teasing, but also maybe just to let us know, okay, no, this is not, there's no happy ending coming. This is
Yeah.
gonna be just again a balls to the walls, flat out action.
Action film, yes.
What do you think of the action? If that is what is selling it.
No, that of course is extremely
great.
well
Yeah,
done. I think
agree.
the director collaborated with a Korean martial arts expert who
Okay.
has, I think he's worked on Train to Busan, if I'm not wrong.
Oh,
the,
wow, okay.
The zombie movie. So yeah, that in that respect, I agree. Okay, is level ka like I said, you can hear every bone crack. You can feel every punch. You can feel every impact.
I saw some review commending the Foley work on this film.
Yeah, that in that regard, it's really very well done.
Yeah.
But I wanted more to happen in the movie.
आपने ना अभी तक कुछ खराब बोला नहीं है पिक्चर के बारे में. मान लो कि
खराब
अच्छी
नहीं
है.
यार, अच्छी है, but it just I wanted more from the movie. I wanted
Sure, but we can
more
want
to-
words with from a lot of things.
And the
including
thing is,
life.
a lot of people, you know, they comparing it to like Tarantino movies and like उसमें भी तो इतना violence होता है. But that
That's-
violence is
yeah,
like
yeah, I get it.
playful, right?
Playful, almost funny
Tarantino
in a
will put like a really cool song behind
Sure,
this
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
इसमें music नहीं है इतना. इसमें बस relentless violence हो
So,
रहा है.
but like this is, I feel like
कत्ल.
see, every movie also could well possibly, if it does well, is a stepping stone to other great films, right? In a way.
I am afraid now the other directors will just put mindless gore in movies and be like, it's because
That
you
is
like
also going to
killing.
happen for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Like, it will go both ways for sure.
जैसे अब ऐसी ये चीज मुझे एनिमल का वो जो 15 मिनट का सीक्वेंस था जिसमें वो मारता रहता है वो अर्जुन वैली ने आपका टैरेंटिनो उसने डाला पीछे गाना
See, I mean, if you are comparing this to Animal, I'm not a big fan of that movie, but a lot happens in that movie.
a lot more than that is required
Okay, so that was our review of Kill, guys. Must watch from
Must
me and
watch,
Snail's
yes.
side, and
And
you might watch.
must watch
And might watch.
do watch
watch, but with low expectations.
from Abbas's side. Now let's get to the main part of this
yeah. Yes.
episode.
Stop saying main part so much. School में नहीं main point बोला करते थे.
Main
Sorry,
point, main
my
point.
bad.
That's fine. Main part भी होता था यार.
नहीं वो उसमें बोलता है ना रावण में बोलता है ना वो
Main point.
जीवन मेन पार्ट और फिर वो उसे मारता है
Main part में मारता है.
Check out the Ravan episode of Has It Aged.
चलो before we get to the topic.
ये पता है ये लाइन हमारे हर एपिसोड का नमक है वो नहीं होता हर खाने में थोड़ा सा नमक जाना बहुत जरूरी होता है
We have to hit the algorithm according to Abbas. So, guys, today we are doing something that we used to do in a certain way
Yes.
on a different show. And we thought we've had a lot of requests to get back to
A lot of
similar
them, dude.
series of sorts. And it was a series that we actually loved doing.
बहुत मजा आता था
Yeah. So we thought, why not get started with like an easy episode to do?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, like something
And a
that would
very
be
memeable
fun.
episode, actually.
Very memeable, very fun. Today we are talking about what if the Avengers, the first Avengers,
Yes.
the first Avengers,
The major
and a few other
Avengers.
characters,
The major Avengers.
and maybe one or two characters here and there.
Yeah.
What if the Avengers were to be fan casted or recasted or whatever name we go with for this series in today's day in Bollywood
Yep.
or in India, in Indian
Or in
cinema?
Indian cinema, yeah.
cinema.
Indian
Because-
cinema,
Oh,
yes.
are we all going pan Asia?
I mean, yeah.
पैन इंडिया यस
Yeah. Okay, ठीक है. Let's go.
अंतरिक्ष यहाँ पे कट लेके फटाफट नाम चेंज कर
Guys,
लाइक शिट मैंने तो वरुण धवन डाला हुआ है
Snail, you made the mistake of telling me that this was your plan all along. You told me like 10 minutes back and I made some changes to my list. Yes, that is true. All right, guys. So first off, we will tell the characters that are
Yes.
in play, right? So we obviously have the main Avengers. That
मैंने
is-
लिस्ट निकाल लिया
हाँ,
मैं
please,
फटाफट
go
से बता देता हूँ
Yeah.
द कैरेक्टर्स दैट वी आर रिकास्टिंग और फैन कास्टिंग आर आयरन मैन कैप्टन अमेरिका
You know it's iron.
Yeah, it's iron.
आयरन
it's
मैन ठीक है मैं घर पे टॉवल बोलता हूँ
You know it's towel. Towel.
नहीं इट्स टॉवल अपेरेंटली
Oh, it's in I'm wrong.
या
नहीं फिर तो iron ही बोल रहा.
ठीक है आयरन मैन कैप्टन अमेरिका हॉक आई ब्लैक विडो थॉर हल्क निक फ्यूरी रॉबिन फ्रॉम हाउ आई मेट योर मदर
Maria Hill.
मरिया हिल यस ब्लैक पैंथर एंटमैन एंड वांडा
Oh, Ant-Man also.
चलो कोई नहीं
Ant-Man
एंटमैन निकाल
came out of
देते
me
इट्स
also.
फाइन
I'm not cured of me. Yeah, sorry.
बट या दोज आर द कैरेक्टर्स
Okay, so since none of us have really thought of Ant-Man, why don't just get Ant-Man out of the way and try and think of one right now?
I don't know, man. At top of my head, I don't know.
It has to be a funny man.
Yes.
Like in my head, right?
यस सेम
Who can do a little bit of funniness?
Rajkumar Rao.
Oh, I was
That'll be awesome.
Rajkumar Rao.
That'll be
I'm
actually
in
great,
Rajkumar
dude.
Rao.
You'll be down for it.
And अगर over the top बनाना हो तो वरुण धवन.
Dude, yeah, Rajkumar Rao.
is
Stree और भेड़िया any day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo.
So Ant-Man is out of the way.
Ant-Man is out of the way, yes.
Take it done.
Ant-Man, like what the Avengers movies did to him also.
Okay, for the rest of them, I have actually jotted them down.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think we all have.
all have.
We all have. Let's
So
compare
let's-
handwriting also.
Yeah.
Should
See,
we
mine
start
is the
with-
best. It's Comic Sans.
Oh, wow. Comic Sans, you write?
Is it
How is that
Sans?
possible?
You don't- Sans.
You don't. Is the answer that you don't know the font it is?
Of
and you
course.
said Comic
मुझे
Sans?
एक ही
He has no
font
idea. Is Google Keeps? What do you use?
Apple Notes.
You don't have Comic Sans. Fucking Apple Notes. All right. Let's start. Who wants to start?
The big one, the main
The
guy,
Iron Man.
The-
I
the-
think
the Iron Man.
Yeah, the Iron
Okay.
Man. Yes.
How should you alphabetically?
चलो आप start करो पहले
Okay,
आवाज
so for Iron Man, which is in the original played by Robert Downey Jr.,
Yes.
one of the most iconic casting choices ever. I have in my version of the Avengers, it'll be Anil Kapoor who will be
What?
playing Tony Stark / Iron Man. He's got the charisma, he's got the age, he's got the panache.
And you got the
You
casting
think-
wrong.
Wait, you think Iron Man is 60 years old?
I mean, Robert Downey is what, in his 50s?
But you said he
No.
has the age.
So
for a new one.
when Robert
No, but
turned
my-
60, he
but my
said no to
casting is
the
also
kid.
no different.
हाँ, same
Yeah.
actually.
Whatever,
So
man.
see-
Anil Kapoor still looks 35, so for me it's...
Yeah.
And I was thinking more Tony Stark than Iron
That's
Man.
an
Iron Man
Abbas who thinks he looks 25.
Iron Man तो suit में रहेगा. Tony Stark for me was Anil Kapoor. So yeah.
Okay, fair. Anil Kapoor.
Should I go next?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, please.
So I have two because one I thought would be on all three of our lists, and Abbas has proved me wrong. Okay, I thought Shah Rukh Khan would be like
my
a by
my
default.
Iron Man casting
Okay.
was Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, yeah, I
Tony
thought,
Stark? Okay.
Of course,
dude, who else has
Who
that kind
else?
of
Yes.
charm, that kind of charisma, that he can be funny off the cuff, can
Yeah.
be serious the next second.
एक सेकंड भाई जो वो
Also,
बोलता है
he played a genius scientist in Brahmastra already.
also genius playboy philanthropist और चौथा क्या
तो रियल लाइफ में शाहरुख को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है.
हाँ exactly
Playboy किधर है?
you don't know
Exactly.
Why don't we ask?
Okay, so who was your second choice?
My second choice was Ayushmann Khurrana.
I'll
tell you why. I'll tell you why.
my second my second choice is much better than your
Social
second
cost
नहीं है यार.
Let me tell you why.
हाँ,
Okay.
tell me.
Firstly, right off the bat, similar face structure.
What?
Dude,
Don't
Did you
insult
just-
Robert
wait,
Downey
wait,
Jr. like
Did you
that.
just call Shah Rukh Khan and Ayushmann Khurrana to look the same?
face structure is very different than face.
Guys, you know when the villains were not beaten, was not able to be beaten up, Tony Stark took a guitar and started singing Pani da.
Well,
Rang
we know
leke.
Ayushmann has also spent an entire movie wearing shades. So he can pull off wearing shades. We know this for a fact.
Just quit, Andrik,
Am I
just
wrong?
quit.
Am I wrong?
That's me defending my choice of career as mass communication.
We know he likes his ladies and is really potent.
What?
We know this for a fact about Ayushmann Khurrana.
इस वाले आयरन मैन में एक मोनोलॉग होगा एंड में कि लोखंड बचाया कैसे जाए
yes.
लाइक बेसिकली ये वो है.
The shortest of iron in the world.
My second option for Iron Man
Yeah.
was Mahesh Babu.
Oh, interesting.
I've not seen a single movie of Mahesh Babu. तूने कौन सी देखी?
So मैंने movies मतलब एक सेकंड मैं
You want
आपको
to see
बता
Mahesh Babu?
अरे नहीं मैंने महेश बाबू की मेरा भाई बहुत मूवीज देखता था सेट मैक्स पे आती रहती थी तो आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द मूवी बाय नेम बट मैंने उनको एक्टिंग करते हुए बहुत बारी देखा
That is so
एटलीस्ट
first thought.
सेट मैक्स पे
You're telling me Ayushmann Khurrana is wrong. That is such a
ब्रो
first thought thing.
एक सेकंड आयुष्मान खुराना और महेश बाबू में से बेटर चॉइस फॉर आयरन मैन कौन है
Ayushmann.
How does Ayushman feel like a billionaire to you? Like
He
does
does not.
pull off like a
Have you
being
played-
वो
have you seen
sperms
Action
donate
Hero,
करता है for
guys?
money.
Action hero. He was a rich millionaire, playboy, philanthropist actor.
Mahesh Babu is 48 years old.
ब्रो महेश बाबू would be perfect for Iron Man अगर पैन इंडिया करते हैं तो
Oh, that's just.
Also,
one man's opinion.
Mahesh Babu actually played a character from Avengers in the Telugu dub,
Acha,
I
okay,
guess.
हाँ.
And that was Captain America.
Oh.
Mahesh
So why
Babu
did you
played
cast
Captain
him
America?
as that?
No,
But
because
that was bad casting.
No. So Captain America के लिए I have someone so good in mind
Bro,
जो मेरे लिए बहुत good है.
Please don't read mine.
मेरे
No,
लिए
I'm not
बहुत
reading it.
मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है और मुझे लगता है कि कोई टक्कर नहीं दे सकता.
Except for
इस-
Antriksh
इस-
Thakkar.
Okay, so Anil
Okay,
Kapoor, Ayushmann,
and,
and
Shah
Mahesh
Rukh.
Babu.
Ayushmann and Shah
Mahesh
Rukh.
Shah
Babu,
Rukh.
but then Shah Rukh.
If not Shah Rukh, then
You two-
Mahesh Babu.
like-
But I still think, like, you know, if we are just. The thing is, Shah Rukh is such a popular actor, it feels almost lazy.
हाँ
True,
इसीलिए
yeah,
मैंने
yeah,
भी
yeah.
second option
you know,
रखा
that's why
हुआ
I
था.
wanted a second option.
Okay,
But I still think Shah Rukh would be the
Shah
best.
Rukh would be the
in
perfect
this.
casting for
Yeah.
Iron Man. Bhai.
Like,
There
I
is,
still think-
मैं Thanos हूँ. Hey, मैं Iron Man हूँ.
of course, dude. Of course. आप भाई आप इमेजिन करो वो वाला सीन जिसके
Iron
अंदर
Man, oh, Iron Man, Iron Man, oh, Iron Man.
आप वो-
Ashik Kumar.
ऐसे दिखाएगा. अंगूठी ऐसे दिखाएगा Thanos को.
भाई आप इमेजिन करो वो वाला सीन जब एंड में वो स्नैप कर देता है
हाँ.
और फिर वो इमोशंस और आंख की भरी हुई आंखों से
Basically कल होना होगा climax.
होगा क्लाइमैक्स इमेजिन करो
I just thought of another one. हाँ यहाँ कदम कदम पर लाखों Avengers आए, the Parappa. Sorry.
Kuchudi, move on to-
सोचो ब्लैक विडो वगैरह और पास
Palat.
what is Black Widow's like
रोमनॉफ
Romanov Natasha
नताशा
hey
रोमनॉफ
Natasha वो तो नाम भी ही है hey Natasha मुझे वो जो आता करो तुम अवेंजर्स का ख्याल रखोगी ना
तुम सोल स्टोन लेकर आओगी
okay so let's move on to Captain America let's start with you Antriksh
All right, Captain Am. Firstly, would it change to Captain India or something?
नहीं नहीं
Because firstly, I have my answer is
नरेंद्र मोदी जी
Virat Kohli
रोहित शर्मा
so see it would be
स्मृति मंदाना
it would have to be Captain India firstly, right? It
Fair.
would for sure.
और कैप्टन भारत
but then I thought the qualities would still be the same like
Yeah,
Exactly,
like,
yes.
correct.
मैंने इन क्वालिटीज पे ही कास्ट किया
yeah
I have okay. First, again two options. One is exceedingly great. One is an okay option.
अगर आप दोनों में से किसी का मेरा सेम हुआ ना I'd be surprised out of my soul
Okay.
at this point
ठीक है. First, the okay option first is Shahid Kapoor.
interesting
Because I feel Shahid can be very earnest and all. So Chris Evans as an actor, right?
Yeah.
He has been. He's great at playing like funny, slick guy roles. Also,
Right.
he's great at playing the Captain America role. Like I don't think there could have been a better casting of Captain America when he played that role. He was spot on the way he got that pitch for the
Yeah.
character. I think Shahid can do that also. He's gotten like he's very malleable in a lot of ways. He's played the honorable, straight-faced, do-gooder also. He's played the shady guy also, but not that this role
played a
requires that.
soldier also I think in Mausam if I'm
Awesome,
not
yeah.
wrong.
And Rangoon also, I think, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
maybe yeah
Yeah. So exactly. So I think he would be very good. But
बट अगर आपके लिए शाहिद कपूर कैप्टन अमेरिका तो उसके लिए आयरन मैन आयुष्मान को ही होना पड़ेगा शाहरुख आयरन मैन और
age
ये
appropriate?
हाँ
Age appropriate.
नहीं नहीं भाई वो ऑरा ही मैच नहीं करेगा शाहरुख अगर
fair.
आयरन मैन है शाहरुख को शाहिद लीड नहीं कर सकता
so are we also
fair.
judging the casting on basis of a team
ऑफ कोर्स बाय द यू हैव टू सी द रिलेशन आल्सो ना किसके साथ आप क्या बिल्ड कर
okay
रहे हो
let's see so
okay, so
interesting
then my main then
हाँ.
Shahid was the okay option.
Yeah,
according to
okay
me.
हाँ.
I think the perfect casting. Drum roll. Can we have a drum roll? Vikrant Masse.
for
Captain America.
Extremely honorable. Okay.
ड्रम रोल
Extremely honorable. Patriotic. Anyone can make a body. He's supposed to be lanky at first. Okay.
wait
and then-
what movie of Vikrant Massey or character of Vikrant
Dude,
Massey are
12
you basing
fail.
this on
Especially off
but
of
उसमें
12
तो वो
fail.
कितना बेचारा है यार
Bro, वो Captain America becomes the thing.
हाँ,
no?
so-
But he has a lot of ambition. He has a lot of क्या बोलते हैं, courage.
okay.
You know, to stand up for what he believes in.
I love Antriksh's justifications more than the
For what he believes in.
आप बन जाओ यू आर आल्सो बिलीविंग इन व्हाट यू आर सेइंग
If not Vikrant Massey, then I'll do it.
I'll be
take
honest
Vikrant
with you I like Shahid as a better
शाहिद
option
बेड हाँ
than
आपको
Vikrant.
रिवर्स
Massey. I like Vikrant.
अक्षय कुमार मीम यार
I really think like Vikrant could be. So also like, bro,
Bro,
don't you
एक
get
second.
that earnestness
Bro,
from him?
how do you see Vikrant Messi leading a team of Shahrukh or Ayushman?
Firstly, I absolutely can see Captain America, not paying for cab fare after traveling and all in it. That's totally possible. You don't know this? Shri Singh is very confused.
No, I also don't know.
What?
What are
You
you
don't know
talking
this?
about?
Guys, Vikrant Massey, a video went viral of a cab driver, okay?
भाई वो कैंपेन था प्रमोशनल कैंपेन फॉर अ शो
Oh, well, it worked.
Wait, did you cast him based off of that
No,
cap?
of course not. That's a joke, Arthur. I thought actually happened.
I would still go with Shahid. It's a better option than.
Okay, ठीक है, that's still my option.
ठीक है
I don't mind if I
आप
win.
बताओ अब्बास भाई
Okay, so what are Captain America's like qualities? Right, he's earnest. His body बहुत मस्त है. He's charismatic. Okay.
Vikrant Massey, man.
So I had a very hard. This is the last.
आई थिंक ऑल्सो एक और बहुत बड़ी क्वालिटी कि सब में मतलब उसके अंदर ऐसा पर्सनालिटी होना चाहिए कि पूरा टीम उसको एज लीडर एक्सेप्ट भी कर ले
Agreed. Yes. So this was the last actor. Like
Shah Rukh
who
Khan?
had- No. So for Captain America in my version, I went with Hrithik Roshan. I thought
not
that,
bad.
yeah, Hrithik would be the honest. He's played
pretty
soldier before.
Oh,
he has
that's
the charisma.
good.
He has the body,
Oh,
and he has the
nice.
voice and the presence. So for me, it would
So
be.
Vikrant Massey can be the one before the serum. After Serum, Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan.
Actually, if you see, Laksh is kind of like that, no? Like before he's like
Yeah.
this cool dude, and
Yes.
then he becomes this.
So Laksh is basically wake up Sid but better.
Yeah. Imagine Captain America dancing to Mehta.
yeah, my Captain America / India is Hrithik Roshan.
Nice,
I like
nice.
it.
So
I like
Hrithik
it.
and Anil Kapoor.
So
will
it's
be-
like an
Good,
extension.
that's basically fighter.
Yeah, exactly. It's like an extension to his fighter role. That's gonna be my next line. Nicely done. Nicely
Who
done.
you got? ना जो जितना तू build-up किया
देखो
तूने hype, हाँ.
इससे तो बेटर ही होगा वो ड्रम रोल के बाद विक्रांत मैसी बोला ये
People will agree with me. You shall
so
be corrected.
as I said my main quality while casting was that a mutual respect for the
Right.
leader
Yeah.
B should accept कि हाँ भाई इससे ऊपर कोई नहीं है
Salman Khan.
और तीसरा righteous so Salman is out so my pick for Captain America is Shri Rajnikant.
Oh, for Captain America.
Bro, he'd be amazing. उस एक सेकेंड
Dude, but Captain America does not have a flair. Rajinikanth
ब्रो
has a flair.
रजनीकांत तो भाई वही ना देखो रजनीकांत सारे ऐसे स्टंट्स जो कोई नहीं कर सकता वो कैप्टन कौन पकड़ सकता है हेलीकॉप्टर को अपने हाथ से
But I'm not seeing this at all, dude. I cannot see
How,
this at-
dude?
What?
Bro, Rajnikant is the sole all over country respected person.
तो उससे क्या हुआ, dude? There are so many people who are respected and all.
We are going with acting abilities, Dave.
No, acting ability. Wow.
Oh,
This
bro.
guy wants to die,
Bro,
dude.
you
No,
want
I'm saying
see, you want to die? You can just say that I want
no
to die.
shade. I'm saying Rajnikant is better than Captain America is what I'm trying to say.
So I overcasted basically.
Yeah.
I think Rajnikant
No,
is
no,
the best
not
cap.
at all,
A Vikrant Messi chup.
So who was your Iron
Rajni
Man?
doesn't make sense, dude.
Shah Rukh.
Firstly, nowhere near in age, it seems like.
The most age appropriate. He's supposed to be 100 years
114
old.
something.
But
What are
he
you
doesn't have to look old. That's the point.
He does not look old. Jailer देखिए आपने?
That's true. It doesn't look that old.
Who was your Iron Man?
still looks old.
शाहरुख और
and
महेश.
Rajini will be your main.
Of course, bro.
Oh, civil war between them.
इससे ऊपर क्या लोगे आप?
पर
Interesting.
ऐसे तो अमिताभ को आयरन मैन बना ब्रो.
आयरन मैन अमिताभ को
तो वही तो ना.
Actually, I mean, Rajnikant
Rajini
is a
and,
contemporary.
So वही ना भाई रजनीकांत has to be like 2% above Iron
Again,
Man.
see,
No,
I love Rajni, but there's no chance.
Rajni
bro.
sir, excuse me.
Hey, मैं कुछ भी बोलूं मेरे love को. दीवाना मैं.
But I
So
think
all those qualities which you listed out, agreed. Rajnikant's characters have those, but then above all that, he has the style and the flair, which Captain America is not. He plays down. Iron Man is the one who
Agreed.
plays up the
Yeah.
flair and
You can't
charisma
be
and
Captain
all of
America,
that.
be like.
Exactly. Yeah, that's not.
But
that's
I-
not Captain
Just look
America.
at
so that does not have to happen. No, but
Of course, it happens in every Rajnikant.
no,
film.
but that's what I'm saying. So there are कुछ ट्रेट्स ऐसे जो रजनी फॉलो कर सकते हैं बट अब ये वाली चीजें तो हम वो कैरेक्टर मॉडिफाई भी तो कर सकते हैं ना
then you're saying it will be a toned down Rajni.
नो
Then which won't work at all.
नो आई एम नॉट सेइंग टोन डाउन रजनी आई एम सेइंग ऐसी चीजें हम ऐड कर सकते हैं बट ऐसी चीजें जो कैप्टन अमेरिका करता है वो सिर्फ रजनी ही कर सकते हैं कि मतलब सुपर स्ट्रेंथ वाली चीजें आप और किससे करवाओगे
ब्रो किसी से भी. Dude, see, तेरे को before the movie, before Captain America, Chris Evans became Captain America, you thought he could actually hold a helicopter.
बट दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग नो ये स्टंट और कौन पुल ऑफ कर सकता है रजनीकांत
Bro, anyone, if the script is fine, and already we know it is.
No, I think Snehal went little bit for the what do you call aura and like the
bro
off screen.
the
Sure,
super
but
the super casting has to be
Dude,
Rajnikant
It does not work for me at all. I don't see him throwing around a shield. It just does not seem
I
plausible
do,
to
but
me.
I
Bro, of
I
course.
see him throwing it around in like style.
Of-
Like,
see,
like
बहुत
this
he's
swag.
smoking and then just
Yeah,
yeah. bro that it has to be Rajni bro it has to
No,
be
it doesn't.
Rajni.
I think I
Cool,
literally,
okay,
I literally think Vikrant Vasi is better.
क्या ग्राफ गया है इसका शाहिद विक्रांत मासी ऋतिक रजनी
वो मरने से पहले हार्ट बीट फ्लक्चुएट होती है ना
I think you guys will be surprised.
Yeah, let us know in the comments
yes
what do you think
tell
of,
us विक्रांत मेसी रजनी सर और ऋतिक रोशन एक्चुअली मैं ऋतिक रोशन
शायद
में
भी,
फिर
शायद
थोड़ा
भी,
ओ
शायद
शायद भी है ओके फेयर ठीक
but how are you giving two options for everything?
अरे-
We all
बैकअप
dialed it
कास्टिंग
down.
अगर कोई पैसे पे नहीं
Yeah,
माना
bro, exactly, man. You always need to have backup casting.
Anyway, okay, so
Let's-
ठीक
who
है.
should we go for next?
Snehal will go first.
आई which character
Thor?
Thor, Black Widow, जो भी.
ठीक है I'll pick Thor
Okay.
Thor for me has to be someone amazing body no other requirement John Abraham
Interesting.
Bro,
I
John
I
Abraham.
was loosely thinking that. At some
John
point.
Abraham.
Not
So
bad.
I was.
But वो
see,
थोड़ा
again-
for an Asgardian god, isn't he too much of a fuckboy?
So, but Thor is a fuckboy only.
Thor is
Yeah, but John has that smirk like, come on.
Bro,
See
John.
you in my
John.
bedroom.
So does Chris
So
Hemsworth.
does
I
Thor.
mean, kind of, yeah.
But
kinda
I will
see
say, see, one of my favorite MCU films was Thor Ragnarok.
Hmm. Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
That was, I think, by far one of the
Yeah,
funniest and all.
yeah.
The thing is, John Abraham has never been great at comedy. He's tried a lot again and again and again and not been great at it.
So I think John is decent at comedy, and अगर script अच्छी लिखी जाए तो John pulls off comedy
And if
really
he
well.
has-
Which one are you
if
talking
he-
about?
if he has
Garam
a-
Masala, he did not pull it off. I did not.
No,
I
I
think
thought so. He had
I don't
Akshay
think so.
Kumar to play
Yes.
along with.
Yeah,
right?
but Akshay Kumar.
तो Loki
way
बहुत अच्छा
overshadowed.
होना
And
चाहिए.
Ragnarok was about Hulk and
No,
Thor
correct.
together.
I agree. What I'm
And
saying
Loki.
is Akshay Kumar, because again he's so seasoned as a comic
Yeah.
actor, way overshadowed.
Of course, भाई.
John Abraham.
So John Abraham को मैं comic timing में अक्षय से तो compare कर ही नहीं सकते
So
आप कभी भी.
actually, since we are casting the first Avengers movie, this is pre-Ragnarok Thor. So he's
Bro.
pretty much has to be like stoic and has to have a good voice and body. And
Body,
charisma.
और-
Bro, Captain America, Akshay Kumar क्यों नहीं रह सकता?
ये आप क्यों सोच रहे तू?
I just thought of it right now.
एक्चुअली पता है मैंने अक्षय कुमार को सोचा था एज
मैंने
कैप्टन
भी
अमेरिका,
सोचा था।
बट मुझे फिट नहीं बैठ. मुझे लाइक अक्षय फॉर मी विल बी मोर ऑफ अ पर्सन जो कॉमेडी लीड करे क्या कहते हैं मूवी में. एंड अवेंजर्स में मुझे कॉमेडी का उतना रूम दिखा नहीं, इसलिए मैं
I
अक्षय
would say
कास्ट
it's a
नहीं
better option than Rajnikant, but let's not go there.
No, but see,
Anyway.
I'm just thinking like, you know, he's very agile, like physically very.
Yeah, all of
you
that.
know,
I thought
yeah.
you
But anyway,
you just had a light bulb moment.
Correct,
like,
correct.
Why the
Anyway.
fuck did I not go with Akshay? Vikrant.
बट माई
John
थॉर
Abraham.
इज जॉन
John
एब्राहम.
John
Yes.
Abraham. Okay, for you, Antarik.
My Thor, I think again is
I'm not giving
Vikrant
you
Masi level of excellence.
We're not giving you a drum roll. Sorry, we gave it once.
My Thor is Saif Ali Khan. What? Yeah. See, good body, yes. Great.
No,
comic
not
timing.
एक second, एक
not
second,
Chris
no.
Great
Hemsworth
comic
level.
timing. Huh?
No, Saif Ali Khan not good body.
He, for a large part of his career, he had a very
No,
good body.
Not
What are you
really.
talking about?
Not really,
I think
dude.
Kurban was his most.
Yeah, that
at
was
his
good.
mo-
He Saran
It was
Navas
not
was
एक
good
second,
enough,
but
bro.
that's not
Six-pack,
Thor
हाँ.
level body.
Bro, अब Thor level तो बनाना पड़ेगा ना
So
यार.
that's why John Abraham, dude.
सिर्फ that can't be your only option.
That has to be the only
But
option.
see, I can cast Thor based on other aspects of his personality also. no?
okay, so Saif Ali Khan is Thor. Why?
Saif Ali Khan is Thor because great screen presence. But I think he's actually hilarious, dude. He's done
Arey,
so
but-
many comic roles.
No,
and
but again, he
aced
wasn't.
them.
Thor
he
is
wasn't
not a
hi-
comedian.
Yeah, he wasn't hilarious till
No,
Ragnarok.
but like his timing of everything is perfect. The way he acts. Again, like I feel.
Is it just because Saif is a Nawab and Thor is a
I
royal
didn't even
family?
think of that, dude. That applies. See, subconscious, bro. You're adding to my points. I like it. I think Saif Ali Khan is great.
As Thor.
Fantastic actor. Yeah.
But the
yeah.
Saif could
And
have been a
also,
good Hawkeye,
if you're thinking of Shah Rukh Khan as Iron Man,
yeah.
then Thor is awesome as Saif Ali Khan, dude.
कल हो ना 6 दिन लड़की
Yeah,
in
bro.
6 दिन
Black Widow.
6 दिन Wanda in.
Wanda.
Yeah, that also.
Wanda नहीं एक्चुअली, उसको कैप्टन मार्वल पसंद रहती है.
ए म्योलनिर चल यार.
Also, Captain America अगर शाहिद कपूर है, then Thor, Saif Ali Khan, again, tickets, butts and
Why,
seats.
what is the what's Shahid and
ये
Saif?
खुद ये
करीना को भी डाल दे.
Fight. Karina as Black Widow would be great.
ऐसा करो आप अवेंजर्स पटौदी पैलेस से ले जाओ. एरा वहीं बना लो
Yeah,
आप.
what's the son's name?
तैमूर.
Okay.
So okay.
John Abraham, Saif Ali Khan, and you.
So I am surprised that both of you didn't think of the flowing of the hair as one of the biggest qualities.
Aishwarya Rai. Shilpa Shetty.
So I also thought कि अच्छी body.
Bro, John Abraham had long hair.
Yeah, but
That I
Vidyut
thought.
Jammwal?
fair enough. Yeah.
Vidyut Jammwal?
No,
I thought of Vidyut Jammwal also.
You did?
my
Yeah.
Thor in my version. I've given it to Bobby Deol. Bobby Deol. will be my Thor.
Imagine Thor having his hammer on his head and it's like.
But good body, strong, and has that stoic, deep voice.
ठीक है, I could still see Bobby as Thor, but no, actually
Vikrant
no.
Why not? In a cape with a hammer, Bobby, Come on, guys.
Lord Bobby.
See,
Lord
also,
Bobby.
let me just clarify again.
Yeah.
Okay, Bobby, it does seem like a good option.
Huh.
The thing is, but Saif, right? Sorry.
You had your chance.
I remembered a point, dude. Saif has done a lot of outlandish characters that Bobby has not. Except for Animal, I can't think of any other
Yeah,
outlandish.
because he's having a comeback. He was fucking
Is that my
web
fault?
series, dude. The Godman web
Ashram.
series. Ashram is
But
not
is that like an over the top kind of?
It's not over the top, but he's got that aura, na? The Godman aura, which Thor is also a god.
But he doesn't have that. The aura he has less of. No.
In my
Because
version,
he
he
gets
does
into-
something. Why are you pitting? You cast Vikrant Basi as Captain America.
Yeah,
You
bro.
have-
पता है the entire
was selling
episode
out.
this argument will beat you.
Bro, Vikrant Massey, I will stand by it. I'll go to my
But
death.
John and
Vikrant Massey, come on this show, talk only to me.
John and Bobby better options than Saif. as
Of
Thor,
course,
yeah.
bro. Of course. Saif is a
What
great
is it, I guess
actor.
teaming against me now? What
brilliant
is this?
No, Saif can be casted as anything but Thor. I guess.
Not at all, dude. Saif would be great. In
Saif would be
Actually, he would
great as
in
Hawkeye,
everything.
पता है?
So
Hey,
Saif would
don't-
even be good
don't
as
make him a loser and all.
Saif
Saif
would
is
even be
awesome.
good as
Hey,
Ant-Man.
Hawkeye is not a loser, dude.
He was.
Why Saif would be good as Ant-Man also. Paul
Saif-
Rudd.
Yeah, that
हाँ,
also works.
actually,
Correct. Yeah, fair enough.
yes,
Fair enough.
Yes, yes,
See?
yes.
So now you agree.
No,
He's a
I'm saying
better-
Saif is such a versatile actor.
all Avengers are
Yeah, Black Widow included.
Everything is Saif.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Let's go with Hawkeye now.
Okay.
Hawkeye now. I thought let's get to Black Widow.
Black Widow तो मेरा बहुत obvious casting है.
Kareena.
नहीं.
Kiara.
Add a T to it. Katrina.
Oh, Katrina.
Bro, Black Widow has to be Katrina. There is no other possible competition to this
That's
role.
pretty great, actually. I wasn't that happy with my choice of Black Widow. My choice of Black Widow was Anushka.
No.
Was one, but I wasn't that happy. I thought it was Kiara also, but again, I wasn't that happy. Katrina's very good.
Bro,
Mine,
Katrina.
yours is Katrina. Mine is the other obvious option, Deepika Padukone. Was
Yeah,
my
fair
Black
again,
Widow,
spy
yeah.
movie.
Fair,
Yeah.
but I think still Katrina trumps.
I agree.
Deepika.
Actually, yeah. Or does she?
Yes, 100%. I think.
No, okay, let me make my argument. So in Avengers, or was it Avengers 2, I think, there is that backstory that Black Widow has that... that all the agents who become Black Widows, they are they sterilized or something? There's that backstory where there is this emotional thing where she can't have kids.
Oh, yeah, correct.
Do you think Katrina has the emotional heft to carry off that backstory?
हाँ.
I think Deepika
Oh,
does.
Bhai, the
Also,
large.
clearly, Deepika can have kids. Just
The,
saying.
the larger part of Black Widow's character is action and basically being the Black Widow, right?
Yeah.
So, and I think India में Katrina से better action females में कोई नहीं करता. At least in our Hindi cinema industry. टाइगर में जो एक्शन कटरीना ने किया है वो कोई नहीं कर सकता.
So I think that if you go by again like action prowess, right? I think Radhika Apte. So not Radhika Apte, dude. Radhika Madan.
Radhika Madan. Okay.
From what's the movie, dude?
I don't
मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. नहीं.
हाँ मतलब उसमें भी होगी.
That's the movie, no? मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. Is that-
Which
नहीं, आप
movie are
कौन
you
सी movie
talking
की बात कर रहे हो?
about?
the
What
one, the
happens?
action one with
Mard ko dard hai na, was Vasan Bala.
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah,
that's
हाँ,
Mard
Mard
ko
ko dard
dard
नहीं होता.
nahi
Yeah,
hota.
yeah. She was great in that.
बट देन अगेन भाई सेडक्ट्रेस पार्ट भी तो है ना ब्लैक विडो का.
Madan.
In Antariksh's head, Radhika Madan can seduce him.
नहीं मतलब आई एम श्योर लाइक विक्रांत
bro.
मेसी इज कैप्टन
Yeah,
अमेरिका
man.
दैट्स फाइन.
Also, are you just calling what?
No, I'm just
being a
saying.
seductress is so easy, I feel. Yeah. What does it take to seduce
How
a
do
man?
you know? You're a man.
What does it take to seduce a man? How much effort do you need? It's
Okay,
not-
Deepika, Katrina, Radhika Madan. Who are you most likely
Katrina,
to get
though.
seduced?
Didn't take a split second.
Question
man.
पूरा भी नहीं किया.
I still gotta-
Katrina.
I gotta keep my options open, you know.
No, but I'd like to go back to your choice was Anushka initially, right? So how do you explain Black Widow saying जिससे प्यार करो उससे कभी ना व्यापार करो?
You know, one thing that I really like up till now, none of us have said either Ranbir or Ranbir.
So again,
think
full
first time,
disclosure.
yeah,
Full
yeah.
disclosure.
You
We
thought-
had talked about this. Okay, we
That-
had said that we will stay away from.
Oh, मैं भूल गया था.
For me, in these characters,
हाँ,
they didn't
same.
even come to mind.
मेरे माइंड में एक जगह पे आए थे बट देन आई वाज लाइक फक इट नहीं गलत कास्टिंग.
I was very tempted to cast them for everything. Okay.
But I think so. Yeah, Katrina, Deepika, and for you either Radhika Madan or Anushka Sharma.
Basically
but
Katrina,
again-
he's just agreeing. Okay. अब किस पे? Hawkeye?
Hawkeye. Should I go first?
Yes.
Okay, for me, Hawkeye was relatively easy. I have gone with Tiger Shroff. Is my Hawkeye. Because all Hawkeye has to do is look stylish and do Tirban.
So उसी वजह से I casted Hrithik actually.
For Hawkeye?
For Hawkeye.
Isn't that too small a role for...
So no, I'll tell you. I also thought this. मैंने ऋतिक को मैं पहले कैप्टन अमेरिका के लिए ही सोच रहा था very honestly, but I was like नहीं, फिर मैंने रजनीश सर को कास्ट किया. Anyway, तो अब हॉकाई के लिए what? So हॉकाई पे मैंने ऋतिक को स्टोरी लाइन के लिए कास्ट किया.
That
ठीक
is
है.
as a family and all that.
हाँ. ऑल्सो जो हमें स्टार्टिंग में टीज किया गया था हॉकाई और ब्लैक विडो को, तो आई थिंक कटरीना प्लस ऋतिक ग्रेट केमिस्ट्री. ठीक है.
Sure, yeah.
But then we never saw that to fruition.
Of course, ठीक है. एंड उसके बाद इट्स अ वेरी ऑफ पुटिंग मोमेंट व्हेन शी फॉल्स फॉर समवन लाइक ब्रूस बैनर. ठीक है. तो आई थिंक ऋतिक टिक्स ऑल द बॉक्सेस. फैमिली, हॉट एज फक.
But it just doesn't have much to do. If I have Hrithik in a team, I want to see him.
तो भाई आई थिंक हॉकाई और हॉकाई का फिर वो वाला पार्ट भी आता है ना, जब वो ऐसा तलवारबाजी करता है एकदम मस्त. ठीक है. तो आई थिंक
तलवारबाजी नहीं, वो क्या?
जब वो समुराई बनता है.
अच्छा वो
वो
हाँ,
एंड गेम में चला.
हाँ
becomes Ronin.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली दैट वन. तो आई थिंक ऋतिक कैन पुल दैट ऑफ ऑल्सो.
But
एंड
then again, we are sticking with more or less the first movie, right? First Avengers movie.
हाँ, बट
Also,
लाइक
Ronin का तो was teased at the end of which the third spy movie.
द थर्ड
Tiger
उसमें हाँ
जिंदा है.
कबीर में भी तो वो एंड में आके ऐसे से मारता है. तो आई थिंक ऋतिक वुड बी ग्रेट एज हॉकाई.
Okay.
I mean, not bad, but
Not
okay.
bad. But again, yeah, he's right, dude. Hrithik, like the thing
He's
is,
too good for Hawkeye.
yeah, that's exactly right. That's a great way to put it up.
फिर शाहिद को डाल सकते हो आप एज हॉकाई एक्चुअली.
I don't mind.
Shayad is not.
कैप्टन
कर लिया.
Who's your mine is Tiger Shroff.
Tiger
Yeah,
Shroff. Mine, yaar, again, so I have to.
Yes, two people. Ranveer.
One was, so see, Hawkeye for the longest time after Avengers came out, everyone just kept making fun of the character.
Yeah,
It got
you
nothing
have
to
to
do.
joke on him, yeah.
It became a joke character. Like how Aquaman was
Yeah,
for the longest time for
DC.
Justice League DC.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why I thought, like, who would I like to see trolled as an actor? I thought of only one name came to mind. Is Kartik Aaryan.
Nice, I like that. I like that choice.
Okay, so I hate Kartik Aaryan.
I love you, bro. Please come on.
No, come on the show. That's fine. You can absolutely come on the show if you want.
You're
if you
giving
want,
him permission.
You want 2K listens for the new movie you're promoting for Chandu Champion. If 2,000 people went and saw
I
it,
will see one.
I don't know. It's good. Kabir Khan, great. Kabir Khan is great. But see, the thing is, Kartik Aaryan, I think would be fair enough for
Yeah,
Hawkeye.
I kind of see that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I can see that. But
ठीक
another
है,
option, see, Hawkeye also, part of the Hawkeye character is this fast talker, funny man. He's always making quips.
Is he?
Because he has like an imposter syndrome, right? That's a big part of being the character.
Okay.
He doesn't feel like he belongs in the leagues of all these fucking Hulk and
Yeah,
Thor
yeah.
and fucking Captain America and all that shit. I thought Gulshan Devaiya
Ooh.
would be interesting also because he has that quippy kind of fast talky kind of, he can be sarcastic very easily. I think he gets that. And then बाकी क्या करना है, बाकी तो वही करना है बस, you know, कोई भी कर ले, कोई भी कर ले.
तो कोई भी कर लेगा.
अब अंतरिक्ष की बातों से ऐसा लग रहा है अंतरिक्ष की हर कास्टिंग का थर्ड ऑप्शन अंतरिक्ष खुद है.
कोई भी कर ले,
कोई भी कर ले.
Also another option, Vijay Devarkonda, because Snehal didn't remember he was
Bro,
Arjun in
मुझे आपने देखी कल की?
नहीं देखी.
अरे कल की मिस कर रहा है वो.
देख
लूंगा यार.
ठीक है,
मतलब ऐसी नहीं
विजय
है.
देवरकोंडा भी है.
भाई पहचाना ही नहीं, मूंछों में पहचाना ही नहीं क्या मुझसे. Anyway, let's come to Hulk now.
Okay, हाँ ठीक है.
Okay, who wants to start?
So can you just recap Hawkeye? Mine was Kartik Aaryan, preferably,
Mine
but
was
Gulshan Devai also.
Hrithik and
Mine was
yours
Tiger
was
Shroff.
Tiger Shroff.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go to
ठीक है. Hulk.
Hulk G.
Okay, so for Hulk, should I go first?
Yes.
Okay, so I thought, okay, what is Hulk known for? Green, angry, all of that. But he's also Bruce Banner. He's also supposed to be intellectual. He's
I
supposed to
also
be
went
controlled.
the Bruce Banner way.
And then
Yeah, we have to go the Bruce Banner way because
and then once in a while we have to see him as angry and destructive. Okay, so I was like, who can pull off that switch? So my Hulk is Amir Khan.
Oh, bro! Oh, wow, dude.
भाई
I thought nobody would think of that. I thought nobody would think of that, dude. That's especially with the white hair right now look.
Yeah.
He would be great as Bruce Banner.
हिल गया भाई
Yeah, bro. Great.
भाई फोकस में हो ना पर कैमरा की
अरे बिंदास bro. ये नए कैमरास हैं हमारे. Everything they capture in
I was like,
slightly less focus.
Scientist or intellectual तो आमिर play कर ही लेगा. But then we also saw his angry side in Ghajini. Wherever he gets triggered,
Absolutely, yeah,
he
yeah.
wreaks havoc.
Yeah, okay.
So I thought that switch would
Yeah,
be
yeah.
amazing.
I truly feel Amir is always angry. Just holding it in, man. Just holding it in.
देख गया, so Amir.
Amir is great. No. I have other options.
Oh,
yeah.
of course you
You
do.
do not know me after now, guys. What is happening? I've been establishing this entire episode. I think another option, Amir is, number one option was
Yeah,
Amir.
yeah.
I thought, but again, so because Ranveer nahi tha on the table, right? I thought also again, Amir, Shah Rukh, Salman would be thoda lazy.
Okay.
In my opinion. Sorry, boss. So I thought another great option for the Bruce Banner side of things, Farhan Akhtar is a left out of left field. I know.
आप ना हर बार इतना बिल्डअप
उसके बाद रिवील मेरी लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल
कहाँ गया मेरा बिल?
मुझे
पिछले
गुस्सा मत
7
दिलाओ
दिनों में मैंने ये सब खो दिया.
तुम जानते हो क्या होता है मुझे गुस्सा आता है
मेरी रेस का एक गामा
Correct.
पापा हल्क के लिए गाना लिखना था
पिछले 7
दिनों में मुझे गुस्सा
आया.
कभी खुद
मैंने
पे
लोगों
हंसा,
को धोया
कभी खुद पे हंसा मैं, कभी खुद को ही गुस्सा किया.
Oh man.
I think it's good. Yeah, I think it applies.
bro my Hulk
Wait, no discussion on Farhan Akhtar?
इतना तो कर लिया
What the fuck, dude?
We have to move on and wrap up quickly. Yeah.
I think Farhan Akhtar. Tell me if I'm right. Go ahead.
my Hulk option would be R Madhavan.
Interesting.
Yeah, not bad.
So what made you think
Because I know rocketry.
Rocketry.
Rocketry this
और
guy.
उसमें गुस्सा वाला
नहीं सो शैतान भाई
Oh,
शैतान
okay. Not
ऑल्सो
bad.
पता है फॉर सम रीजन आई वाज लाइक मैं और किसी कैरेक्टर पे रिसर्च नहीं करूंगा सिर्फ हल्क पे करूंगा तो मैंने हल्क का बर्थ डेट चेक किया एंड अपेरेंटली कॉमिक्स सेम नहीं है 1 year apart Hulk is supposed to be born in 69 and he is Madhavan is born in 70
But same date.
no
अच्छा the year.
मतलब
is
it's
what?
very close what I'm saying ठीक है also
Wait, Madhavan is what 54?
yeah
Are you serious?
yes Maddie is 54
You think he's supposed to be younger or older?
I thought a younger dude.
Okay.
So also again this makes the perfect story for me. Older guy, 2 Black Widow. ठीक है, would not expect Maddie to take Katrina away from Hrithik. ठीक है. Also Maddie can play like a smart doctor personality. He can also be angry. शैतान में हमने देख लिया. I think Maddie goes perfectly with the role.
Not bad. Except for Farhan,
But the
all
thing
the
is,
choices were good.
see, the number one thing is though he doesn't want to become an engineer. Must become a photographer.
इसलिए तो हम उसे डॉक्टर बना रहे हैं भाई, साइंटिस्ट ही बना रहे हैं
Scientist वही तो ना नहीं बना.
Hey, 3 Idiots. Amir.
पापा
and
ने सबसे
2 Hulks in one movie. शर्मन जोशी को भी कुछ बना दो.
शर्मन जोशी को आप वो बना सकते हो हॉकाई.
Yeah, why not? That'll be funny, yeah, very funny.
So 3 Idiots was actually Avengers.
He just didn't know it. Okay, so quick recap. Yours is Amir.
Amir Khan.
Hulk is Amir.
Yes.
Your Hulk is Amir /
Farhan
Farhan Akhtar. And my Hulk is Maddie.
Madhavan. Not bad.
Okay.
Oh, सोचो Hulk के पीछे म्यूजिक बज रहा है.
And what was Iron Man and Hulk? Saif Ali Khan and Maddie.
Iron Man.
No, Iron Man. what
Shah
was-
Rukh.
What was Captain America? Was
Captain
it?
America was-
Thor was your Saif Ali.
Saif was that. Thor,
Yeah, sorry. You forgot
No,
yourself.
I got confused. You said Iron Man. I'm like, no,
Sorry,
Iron
my
Man.
bad.
So Saif
cool.
and yes, Amir. That's pretty good.
should
Have
we
they
go to-
been in a movie together, Saif and Amir?
Saif and Amir Parampara, way back in the
Oh
90s.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
I
Nice,
know.
Abhi.
Should we go to Loki?
Loki. Okay, I have a very interesting pick for
Can we
Loki.
come back to Loki because I still
You don't have Loki.
Acha,
and I'm not that sure.
Loki,
of
he forgot
thinking on the
Loki.
feet. Let's think of.
Black Panther?
I would love to do Black Panther right now. Can I start with Black Panther?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
sure.
Okay. So, Black Panther, right? It would have to be brown.
Yeah, I have many questions
Right?
about this.
Correct, right? So,
casting.
like brown tiger, brown bhedia, Varun Dhawan.
Oh,
BB.
Wow,
Eh?
wow, wow, wow.
Something, but not a great choice. I know. So I think actually it has to be someone. So like Black Panther, the thing is like he's so imbued in black culture, right? That's the thing of selling Black Panther and the
Yeah.
greatness of Black Panther.
I would
someone who you think. Sorry, go ahead.
हाँ बोलो.
Someone who you see. Okay, and through maybe his mannerisms, through the way he acts, through the way he is as a boisterous personality, immediately makes you think, oh, India, oh, maybe Punjab, oh,
Antriksh, your
great
choice
casting.
better we live up to this.
दिलजीत
hype.
मत बोल देना आप पंजाब बोलने के बाद.
No, I've written down Diljit, but no. I'm saying Vicky Kaushal as Black Panther.
पता है मैंने विकी कौशल लिख के डिलीट किया था ब्लैक पैंथर
वो
में.
मेरी गलती है.
I was like, नहीं.
But I think Vicky Kaushal could be interesting.
Could be
ठीक
interesting.
है, बट सेम थॉट प्रोसेस जो अच्छा आपके पास भी तो है एक ब्लैक पैंथर. बोलो बोलो.
We have a Black Panther. So यार मेरा ये thought process ये था Black Panther of course like in Marvel history is like he's supposed to represent black culture and black power. So I'm like if we cast does it have to be a dark skinned person? Okay, I was thinking that.
It doesn't have to be.
But for in my case it is. So my Black Panther is N.T. Ramarao, who's one of the leads from RRR, the one who fights
Bro,
the
even
tiger.
I have
You
NTR
have NTR
Junior.
Junior.
Yes.
And bro, even I have NTR Junior.
Nice.
Fuck, bro.
In that, he's actually fighting a tiger. In this one, he is the tiger.
But पता है मेरा thought process ये नहीं था. मेरा thought process था कि to look at someone and instantly think rooted to the culture.
Yeah.
And that's why I thought Junior NTR.
That's Vicky Kaushal. Yeah, I thought that. But yeah.
हाँ, तो उसने तेरा तौबा सोचो ब्लैक उसने तेरा तौबा
Yeah, dude.
But Junior NTR because RRR the first sequence I think sits in my mind rent free, lives in my mind rent free. NTR has that body, ठीक है, उस और जैसे उसने उसमें एथलेटिसिज्म दिखाया है दैट ऑल्सो फील्स सो रूटेड टू द कल्चर. सो मतलब मुझे आई थिंक RRR के कैरेक्टर जो NTR ने प्ले किया था दैट कैन इजीली बी एन इंडियन ब्लैक पैंथर.
Correct. Yeah.
सो आई थिंक जूनियर NTR for me also.
No, man. I think just.
It's okay, Antriksh.
Vicky has just so much more Josh.
Of course, yes.
Okay. What's yours, man?
It's also anti.
Oh, you said NTR.
Yeah, both of us have NTR as
You
our
literally
option.
have that as your option?
Yes, bro.
Oh, wow, damn cool. Damn cool. Yeah, that.
मतलब मैंने स्लैश करके रामचरण भी लिखा हुआ था बट आई वॉज नॉट गोइंग आउट ऑफ RRR फॉर
Okay,
श्योर.
Okay. Cool. Fair enough. Should we go Nick Fury next?
Yes.
Oh, now I think we have only 2 left. No, 3 left. Wanda भी है.
Okay.
We have Wanda, we have Loki, we have Nick Fury, and we have Maria Hill.
Maria Hill.
Yes.
Okay. Nick Fury then.
Yes.
I'm very proud of my
Go
Nick
ahead.
Fury
Let's go
casting.
with yours.
I think कुछ तो overlap करेगा Nick Fury
Let's
में.
go with yours. Let's go with yours.
My Nick Fury is the one and only Jackie Shroff.
Great. Great option. Actually, no, I'm not
No,
kidding.
it's a good option.
That's actually
yeah.
great because
Very good option.
I also have like similar era in my mind. But
Okay.
Also, just the visual of in the first Iron Man after the movie Nick Fury comes to Iron Man, Jackie Shroff coming to Anil Kapoor.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro. कुछ चालू कर देगा. कुछ Avengers चालू कर
Wait,
देगा.
so you're saying Jackie Shroff is gonna go to Anil Kapoor's house?
Yes.
That's like Ram Lakhan.
Also, this makes the casting of Hawkeye as Tiger Shroff a little interesting in my movie.
Nepo.
Nepo. Yes.
But yeah.
But this is reverse Nepo probably because it's possible Tiger was cast before Jackie.
Yeah, true, baby.
Just
But,
casting wise.
yeah.
Yes.
Call sheet wise.
Jackie
Should I go
Shroff.
next? You want to go next?
My Nick Fury is Mr. Bachchan.
Oh.
Yeah, fair.
Bro, it was right there on the table
That's the thing.
for me. Bachchan.
That's the
My
thing,
only,
dude.
मेरा
Hey,
इसे-
थोड़ा lazy. Stop being no. What is
No,
this?
I thought of Bachchan too, but I was like, Nick Fury is a thoda chunt character. He's like a little. He has a shady past. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
Whereas Amitabh in my eyes is like has
he's
this
the
very-
angry young man, dude.
Sure, but
Could be shady.
Sure, yeah, I see that. Also, it seems a little.
दीवार
old.
देखी है मैंने.
हाँ. But Jackie seems to be like the more, swag wala. option.
Jackie is more swaggy. That's the swagger ज़्यादा है वो.
Then I think my choice is somewhere in the middle between the perfect mix is Sanjay Dutt as Nick Fury. It's along the same lines as Jackie, I think.
Okay, not bad.
very,
He
very
also
similar.
he wore an eye patch in Khalnayak.
He did wear an iPad in Khalnayak. Yeah, correct. I don't even think of that.
I am making your
Thank you, man.
arguments for
Yeah,
you.
yeah. So you guys agree my choices are actually
ए मामू
great.
क्या बोलता है अवेंजर्स चालू करे क्या
ये थैनोस को
circuit
देते हैं ना
जाके
कुछ.
बोलिए.
ये अपन टीम बना रहे हैं क्या बोलते हैं पंडर लोग को लेके टीम बनाते हैं
No, works out, man. Works out.
Like all of our choices are so in the zone, no?
Yeah.
Anil, Jackie, Sanjay,
Jackie, Sanjay,
the like the
swear.
bhais of Bollywood.
It really makes you realize just how few
Swaggy.
options
Firstly,
do we
options we
yeah,
have.
true, yeah.
that
पता है सुनील शेट्टी भी हो सकता है.
I thought of Sunil, where can I fit
That's
Sunil
what I think
Shetty?
of.
But I
Yeah.
couldn't find.
So
mean,
I
don't know,
tried
we
to
still
fit
have.
two people. One being Salman and the other Sunil Shetty. But I didn't find a match to any of the characters.
Salman I thought for Hulk, but I'm like कि वो Bruce Banner नहीं बन पाएगा.
Bro, पता है मैं आयरन मैन के लिए सोच रहा था सलमान को. वो वाला देखा आपने किक में वो ऐसा मस्त ऐसा करके पूरा प्लान बनाता है.
मैंने किक नहीं देखी.
Oh, good. But
So,
good choice. Sanjay
Just
Dutt,
to
Sanjay Dutt.
recap, Jackie, Sanjay,
Amitabh.
Amitabh. Oh, what a role.
बट पता है ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वाज थिंकिंग कि अगर रजनी को अगर मैं
Captain
कैप्टन अमेरिका बनाता हूँ तो उनको
उसके
कमांड
ऊपर।
करने के लिए एक ही बंदा. एक तो पहले तो मैं ये बोलूंगा कि अमिताभ ऊपर है रजनी से तो
also
वो
SRK
अलग
controversial हो
पिटूंगा.
जाएगा.
SRK
हाँ.
Amitabh reunion in a way.
एसआर के अमिताभ है वो ब्रो सो कूल. आयरन मैन फक अप करता है और
Yeah,
पीछे से अमिताभ ऐसे खड़ा निक फ्यूरी बन के.
That's great. That's how Nick Fury stands anyway.
और मोहब्बतें में वो काला पूरा काला कोट भी पहन के घूम
That
रहे थे.
exact uniform.
टोनी मैंने 3 चीजें कही थी. प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन,
अनुशासन.
and whatever the third thing.
परंपरा.
Correct. I think yeah, cool. That's
Not bad. Nick Fury was a strong casting choice. Should we go to Loki now, Antariksh?
Or you still Loki don't have a Loki.
I don't have a Loki, but I'll think of something. I'll think of something.
Let's start with you, Snehil. What
So
do you have for
my Loki casting is Gulshan Devaiya actually.
Loki? Not bad. I can see that.
Because
Tom Hiddleston जैसा दिखता भी है वो.
yes. The thing is कि उस mischievous,
हाँ.
great acting ability, जितना स्मूथ गुलशन देवैया है.
Great option.
हमने जब वो हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे आए थे जिस तरीके से वो बात कर रहे थे ही सो फकिंग इंटेलिजेंट.
Correct. Yeah.
प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड कमाल का है. हैज दैट मिस्चीवियस लुक टू हिम. जो वो वाली कौन सी थी वेब सीरीज
Guns and Gulabs.
गन्स एंड गुलाब्स में जो वो कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हैं बहुत ही मिस्टीरियस कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हैं. आई थिंक गुलशन देवैया इज अ परफेक्ट फिट फॉर लोकी.
Okay.
So my choice is also Gulshan Devaiya. No. So literally just thought of
now,
it.
हाँ.
So I thought हम इतना casting कर रहे हैं. Let's cast an actual casting director, Abhishek Banerjee from Bhedia. From Singh.
Bhedia.
He has done like these.
Creepy kind of.
Yeah, he has
plays
done
a
that kind of
creepy
thing.
villain.
Yeah, he.
Loki is not creepy.
I
dude.
know, but I'm just saying.
But he
Abhishek
can
Banerjee
be.
is
Like
that.
I think Abhishek Banerjee is quite versatile if he's shown us what he can do as the graph of acting that he can do. I think he could be pretty good. He could be pretty nice. Now will you cast me, Casting Bay? I literally worked with him recently. We were doing so Cyrus is doing this thing for housing.com. Hopefully that comes to be.
Oh yeah, I think I've seen
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
And so Abhishek Banerjee was one of the people we got on that show.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So Abhishek Banerjee, yours was
Gulshan Devaiya.
Gulshan Devaiya. Okay. So I have two options for that.
अरे क्या बात है. और बैठो अंतरिक्ष के साथ.
Pulling an antariksha, we call this.
My initial choice was Akshay Kumar because I thought if in the Avengers movie there's one villain is bhari on all the 5 Avengers.
And that has to be Akshay.
So it has to be a heavy actor.
Yeah,
it has to be someone
fair,
who,
okay.
he's funny, he's sarcastic. Also I thought of Pakshi Raja from 2.0 where he played a villain.
Yes,
So
okay, yes.
he's not as flamboyant as Loki, but
So apparently that role was first offered to Kamal Hassan. The Pakshi Raja.
okay.
They wanted to show Rajni versus Kamal Hassan,
Kamal Hassan.
in the
Okay.
Robot 2.0.
Do you guys know Chris Hemsworth? Sorry, Tom Hiddleston was first going to be Thor.
Yeah, he auditioned
He was in the
for
running.
Thor,
He
yeah,
was
yeah, yeah.
like he was one of the finalists.
My second option was Ranveer Singh as.
Hey, you finally gave in.
कर दिया ना भाई.
कर दिया ना खराब.
बस we had one thing to go one episode.
Rocky Randhawa as Loki.
That's actually pretty great casting, man. What do you want?
fair. Loki Gucci पहन के.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Nice, good. So.
Abhishek Banerjee.
Abhishek Banerjee, Gulshan Devaiya.
Akshay/Ranveer.
Akshay/Ranveer.
Yeah.
No.
I think Ranveer is not
Ranveer is not bad.
No, Ranveer seems pretty good. For that.
fair. Okay.
Fair enough. Yeah.
Now we have left.
ये Dawn 3 का क्या हो रहा है यार? कुछ आइडिया?
अभी शायद मैं
Someone
जहाँ
told
तक
me it's
मुझे
been shelved.
हाँ जहाँ तक सुनने में आया वो शेल्फ की तरफ
Shelved
बढ़
for
रही है.
now or shelved forever?
I think for now.
No, I heard it was shelved. Then Farhan in some recent interview said he's working on it, so I don't know.
Okay. Fair. Okay.
Yeah.
You tell us if you know, please.
Yes,
We are very
Farhan,
excited.
if you're watching, please comment कि तुम इस पे काम कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो.
Javed sir, if you know anything.
Also, don't play Bruce Banner ever, Farhan.
No man, he'd be dude. I thought you liked Miss Marvel was one of your favorite shows of all time.
And he wasn't Hulk in it.
But he was
So
like a
sad.
teacher character, smart dude kind of thing.
Okay, so now we have two characters left, Wanda and Maria Hill.
Yeah, we saved the women for the end.
Yeah, because they're the best casting that we have.
Let's do Wanda. I think that's an interesting.
Okay, can I?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Kangana Ranaut. Thank you guys. I'll be out here.
Actually,
ठीक है, I can see Kangana Ranaut.
Come on.
Like going.
Yeah, that's
A woman who goes from being really good to really evil. What gave you that? Yeah,
imagine. Firstly, but imagine her telling Shah Rukh, you are the supporter of nepotism.
और
ऐसा करते हैं?
हमारी कास्ट में फुल नेपो किड्स टाइगर श्रॉफ ऋतिक रोशन.
That's exactly right.
If this doesn't tell the state of Bollywood right now.
That's exactly right. Yeah.
Yeah, I would pay to see Kangna Vision, the web series.
Vision, ऋतिक को कास्ट करते हैं as Vision.
He's the Captain America.
Bro, जीत गए.
Yeah, correct.
What about you, Sneha?
My Wanda was Kareena.
Oh, interesting.
Oh yeah, but she's no Kangana, of course. That's what the entire industry says.
Bro,
also.
but I think Kareena.
कौन है जिसने मेरा hex नहीं accept किया?
So Kareena, I think is a perfect fit for Wanda because थोड़ा सा age जो है वो ज़्यादा की तरफ है. A mother of two.
Mukesh, I don't know why that was the first reason, but sure.
मतलब मैं कृति सानन को नहीं कास्ट कर सकता ना.
Did none of us go for Kareena for Black Widow?
But so she's actually played
She's
Black
actually, yeah,
Widow.
Marvel
Yeah,
actually
in the
used her
audio
voice as
thing.
Black
That's
Widow.
why I didn't go for.
So
Also,
one she's old. What's the second reason?
mother of two.
And her husband is Thor.
Really loves her
in
kids.
Antariksh's version.
Hey, works out, man.
Also, bro, I think a great acting ability.
Of course.
Wanda अगर अकेले शो संभाल रही है एक पूरा. Actually, this should have been my first point. But
Then we should have cast Vision also, but it's too late for that anyway.
Vision ऋतिक bro. अगर कंगना है तो अगर कंगना वांडा है तो
और तेरा हॉका है वो.
अच्छा fair. मैं सेफ कास्ट कर लेता हूँ Vision को.
Bro, if Kangana is Wanda, then Vision should be Imran Khan. Katti Vatti was the last movie he did, and they say that he had such a bad time on it that he
Okay,
stopped
fine.
acting. It's a perfect
Check out the
comeback.
Qiyamah se Qiyamah.
मुझे मैं वेट ही कर रहा था. I was like एक सेंटेंस पूरा बोल दिया उसने. अभी तक किसने प्लग कैसे नहीं किया. But Kareena, because I think acting ability उस एज ब्रैकेट में.
Why do you keep going to
we
age?
get it.
No, of course no. Like
No, it's fine.
भाई
Of course it's
एज
fine, I was
अप्रोप्रिएट
joking.
कास्ट
I was
करना है
joking, I
ना.
was joking.
Sure. So since you cast Kareena as
आपने तबू तो नहीं लिखा.
Yes.
मुझे पता था मेरे को पता था. मैंने तभी तबू जान के नहीं लिखा. I knew
we are
तबू.
making crew part.
I knew it. I
Kriti is
so
there,
knew
bro.
it.
Kriti is missing out.
No, wait.
Maria
Kriti
Hill.
में Maria Hill. Kriti में
Are you serious, guys? Yes. Oh shit, that's hilarious.
Kriti was में Maria Hill.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I had written Yami Gautam / Kriti.
Oh, I have written Fatima Sana Sheikh / Kriti Sanon.
Who's your Maria?
Who's yours /
You don't
Kriti
have one,
Sanon?
do you?
It's very bad. It's Sara Ali Khan. I had no.
Hey,
option.
मुझे
Not bad.
ये
It's fine.
ठीक है,
Yeah.
हाँ.
She doesn't have
ठीक
much
है.
to do anyway. And who was your
Snehal changed his opinion mid
No, I was like, हाँ मुझे पता था ये बोलेगा ठीक है.
Sanjay Dutt and Sara Ali Khan are your Nick Fury and Maria Hill. Okay, fine.
Fair enough.
Bachchan and Kriti actually work.
And mine would be Jackie Shroff and Kriti, which is also not bad.
Yeah, also not
okay.
bad.
Yeah, not
Alright.
bad. Also, we should say for our Wanda casting, we kept Maunirov off the table because she was already Wanda in Brahmastra.
She's already played Wanda once.
Yeah.
That's true.
So that's the end of our Avengers India.
Yeah, and
Avengers
mine
Bharat.
was clearly the best. Vikrant Masi, you're the man. Never let these guys get you down. Man, you don't respect the actor of 12th fail. National award winning actor, guys. Our entry to the Oscars.
What?
Oh, it wasn't.
Was it not?
It was an independent entry जो I don't think आगे गई.
An independent entry to the Oscar, which did not go forward. You guys don't respect.
But
But I think more or less we were good.
it was good. It was good.
We were good. We were not that far off without using Ranveer actually. Fuck you.
I
But,
kind of gave it.
This guy, dude.
I realize my list is like it's still pretty old school. I have Anil Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, Akshay,
Yeah, age appropriate as you were
Bobby
talking.
Deol. Yeah,
Yeah, fair enough.
मैं पता है हल्क के लिए पहले सनी देओल कास्ट करने वाला था.
maybe.
But then I was like ब्रूस बैनर नहीं बनता
वो थोड़ा बहुत on the nose हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Hand pump उखाड़ने वाला. Yeah.
Okay, that's the Hulk persona.
But tell us your choices for
हाँ,
recast.
please
What do you
write
think
your.
of ours? Who won this episode? Is always my.
Can you see Farhan Akhtar as what Hulk? you say?
और विक्रांत मैसी as
Banner.
Captain America.
or Rajnikant as Captain America?
Oh, 100%.
Not at all. What are you talking about? What about
I was trying to get Fahad Fasil in somewhere, but
Oh shit,
not yet.
dude! Nice.
Yeah.
I was thinking also like Iron Man. At one point, I was also thinking of Allu Arjun because just very suave, the dude.
पता है मैं सोच रहा था अगर हम थैनोस कास्ट करते तो हम रॉकिंग स्टार यश को कास्ट कर सकते थे एज थैनोस.
Yeah. Okay.
केजीएफ वाला जो हीरो है.
Yeah, fair,
देखी
fair,
नहीं KGF.
fair.
मस्त है.
Anyway,
वो ऑरा काफी स्ट्रांग है केजीएफ में यश का. तो आई थिंक थैनोस वो कर सकता था.
Right, fair enough.
let's where can people find us? Should we give out our social media handles?
Hope you enjoyed this episode of Pop
पता है
Conversation,
आपको
guys.
मैं एक ना कल एक कमेंट्स पढ़ रहा था.
We are not ending yet. We'll go for another conversation with Snehal. Remember.
कमेंट्स पढ़ रहा था. Oh, we've just touched 500 subscribers, dude. Woo!
Guys, we have 1 minute left or something. Huh?
We have 1 minute left, so
And we've touched
follow
500 subscribers.
follow us on subscribe
Yes.
to the channel and be the 500
पता है एक
first
कमेंट
follower.
फटाफट मैं वो किसी ने कमेंट किया कांग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन 500 subs. He must have been the 500 sub.
Oh wow, man, that's so sweet. I love this.
Yes,
This is great.
nice. चलो मैं कमेंट अगले एपिसोड में बताऊंगा फिर.
Yes, please check out my other shows. That Filmy Game Show, Antriksh Takkar on Instagram,
Abbas
Spender
Momin.
Bender with Govind and Hushang. We
सब
just had
बोल दो.
Jose on.
सब बोल दो.
Abbas' show, yes, please go ahead.
As it is well, Abbas Momin 88 on Insta, Abbas Momin on Twitter.
Jaldi.
Snehal at Snehal on Instagram and Pop Conversation on Filmy Colada. Please subscribe.
Yes, and watch all the amazing things he's doing at Radio City.
And tell us the movies you want us to recast for in the
Yes,
comments.
of course. मुझे DDLJ का मैसेज आता है एक.
Let's do that next
Oh,
time.
DDLJ the movie messaged you. Wow, man. Great. All right, thank you guys.
See you.